This is your DSpace Basic Guide. To access, go to dspace.ias.edu. The AIIAS repository is a digital collection primarily of AIIAS theses and dissertations. Other materials will also be included, like faculty publications and institutional materials. This collection is accessible online to contribute to the growing knowledge of research community. To browse the collection, you can explore the communities in DSpace, or you can make a search by typing in the author, title, keywords, or subject. You can freely read the full text online by clicking on Read Only or AIIAS Read Only. Read-only materials are fully accessible for everyone. AIIAS read-only materials are only accessible within the campus, for it may contain sensitive contents. When browsing through the flipbook, you can click on the corners to go to the next page or to the previous one. To skip to certain pages, you can type in the page number of the document from this Go to Page field. Type in keywords to find words or phrases within the document. Can't read the text? You can zoom in and zoom out by using your Control key or trackpad. For inquiries and other concerns, feel free to contact us through these platforms.